Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Interactive Brokers trading account, secure access step by step clearly. Navigate to the Interactive Brokers website using your preferred web browser. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page for Interactive Brokers. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to double-check your username for accuracy. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure your password is entered correctly, paying attention to case sensitivity. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a verification code. Retrieve the code from your authentication method, such as your mobile device or email. Input the verification code in the required field. Once all information is entered, click the login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be granted access to your trading account. In case you encounter any issues, check the details you entered for errors. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. After logging in, take a moment to review your account overview and settings. Ensure that your security settings are up to date for optimal protection. You are now ready to navigate your Interactive Brokers trading account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.